Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? Fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, still in the lesson 10 ya, with animals. Now we are continue our study in the part 10 ya. Look at here, page 111. We love listening part 10, listen and color. So all of my students give color ya in each of them based on the sound you hear from this one. Okay, I will play. Listen carefully. Jadi dengarkan baik-baik warnanya ya. Jadi warnanya itu diwarnai sesuai yang didengarkan. Okay?
10. Listen and color. 1.
Look at the picture.
Okay. Ooh, what's that? Is it an elephant?
No, it isn't. It's a hippo.
Hippo.
Color it blue.
Color it blue.
Okay. The
Blue.
hippo's blue now.
Blue hippo. Okay? So blue.
2.
Next, you color it.
Look.
Is that a monkey?
Monkey.
Yes. And look. It's got a banana.
Yes.
Color the banana black.
Okay. The monkey's banana is black.
The monkey's banana is black. So the banana is black. Okay?
3. Is that a snake?
Where?
Look. Under the monkey.
Oh, yes. Color the snake brown, please.
Okay. A brown snake.
A brown snake. Yeah. Color brown.
4. Oh! Look at the crocodile.
Crocodile.
Is that a ball?
No, it's not. It's an orange.
Oh, yes. The crocodile's got an orange. Color the orange. Orange, please.
Okay. Orange.
Color the orange with orange
5.
in front of
Look at the giraffes.
Cool. Is that a baby giraffe?
Yes, it is. Color the baby giraffe grey, please.
Okay. It's grey now.
baby giraffe with gray. Okay? Now,
6. What are those?
Those? They're elephants.
Oh, yes. There are 3 elephants.
Color them purple, please.
Purple? Okay. 3 purple elephants.
the elephant are purple ya, purple. So, jadi semuanya yang tidak disebutkan bisa bebas diwarnai ya, tapi yang disebutkan harus sesuai warnanya sama yang ada pada audio. Oke, good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.